I popped the top on the machine. As you can hear and see, it has no power to do anything without that capacitor. So it won't agitate, it won't spin, it'll only do a few of the things like turn on, lock the lid, but it will not complete or spin the cycle properly. If your washing machine has this exact symptom, most likely you need to replace your capacitor. You're going to have to take this shield off. It's 2 5/16 screws. And then the capacitor is this. Make sure your machine's unplugged. You're going to disconnect the wire. This is what the replacement looks like. You just simply twist it to pull it off. And then you're going to put the new one on there to replace it. If you're having this issue, it's not going to cause the machine to spin or agitate properly. This is how you test it with a multimeter. The full video is on my channel for more in-depth details. Now we're going to replace that capacitor, and then we're going to plug that wire in. This capacitor didn't quite fit, so we took that little plastic piece off, and now we're going to make sure everything fits like it should. This machine's a little dirty, but this is what it should look like as well when it's agitating properly.